Hi, I'm Reiner. I'm SEO Specialist for 4 years with experience in local SEO, content writing using CMS like WordPress and Webflow. I have experience working multiple industries including local services, um, appliance repair, HVAC and plumbing, and also as dental and B2B, food and beverages, and also for crypto companies. And my strongest focus is in local SEO, especially with GBP or Google Business Optimization, local citations, local landing pages, on-page SEO, and also improving local visibility. One result I'm proud of is helping appliance repair businesses, generating 300k GSC impressions and also more than 1,400 organic visitors and over 2,500 track keywords. Also, we achieved top 3 rankings for appliance repair near me and maintain visibility across multiple service areas. On the website side, I have experience using WordPress because last time I have to build my own WordPress website from the scratch, handling structure, content, and SEO setup. Also, the plugin configuration, and also I'm experienced using Elementor, RankMath, and Yoast schema markup and page speed improvements inside of the CMS. I also worked with Webflow during my time in ICO rankings. I handled content updates, SEO changes, and page edits using the CMS Webflow. For tools, I regularly use GBP Profile and GSC, Google Search Console, also Google Analytics, Ahrefs, and SEMrush, and also reporting tools to track and monitor ranking and implement the data-driven for SEO improvements. What makes me strong fit is that I work well in well-structured and SEO-driven environments. And I also focus on executing consistency and clear communications while also sharing recommendations when I see opportunities to improve results depending on the new Google algorithm. I'm looking for a long-term role where I can grow with a team, also contributing to the consistent SEO performance for local service businesses.